with 34 members abstaining from the vote. The result of the voting shows that the Honorable Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez garnered 269 votes. With 269 votes, the Chair declares the Honorable Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez from the 1st District of Leyte as the duly elected Speaker of the House of Representatives for the 20th Congress.